여기 캐피탈로 출근하고 있는 듯한 여러 명의 사람들. 하지만 평범해 보였던 이 직장인들의 정체는 바로
Phone jammers on.
이들은 캐피탈을 털려고 하는 강도들이었는데요.
Level 27. Doors opening.
Hi.
Disconnect the call now.
Security's been taken out. Hello?
Everybody listen to me right fucking now! Stay away from the computer! On your feet! Hands in the air!
그렇게 평화롭던 평일 낮은 순식간에 지옥으로 돌변하고 말죠.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you do exactly what I say when I say it, you won't get hurt. If you don't do what I say when I say it, you will be shot. If you have any communication devices on you, phones, tablets, I want you to take them out. I want you to hold them high in the air above your head. Do it now. Once you have your phones in the air above your head, I want you to move slowly towards the conference room this way.
강도들은 조직적으로 움직이며 냉정하고 스마트하게 지시합니다.
Phones, put them in the...
그런데 이때 한 직원이 용기를 내보는데요.
That's a Sig Sauer MPX-K. You fire that off in here, and everyone will hear it from the 5th floor to the 10th. Security will lock us down, and you will be trapped here before you can even get to the lifts. You're not stupid enough to shoot that in here. I doubt you even bothered loading it.
We don't have to fire our guns to kill you with them. Get him secure.
강도들의 잔인함을 보며 사람들은 이것이 현실이란 것을 뼈저리게 깨닫죠.
Just move.
Keep moving. Move. Move now.
Get up. Follow them.
Right, everybody on the floor. Keep your hands above your head so I can see them. Slowly.
Conference room secure. Antenna up on the satellite phone. Location secure. Anyone in the trade processing team, stand up. Why'd you tell her to sit down?
It's her first day. She's an intern.
You've got access to the trading system. What about the rest of you? Who's the most senior?
And that's me.
You two, come here.
그렇게 거래 이행팀에서 근무하는 자라와 루크가 강도들을 따라갑니다.
It's got the details of 6 trades on it. Source accounts, destination accounts, sizes. I want you to load them all up into the trading system.
So no, that won't work.
Just load up the trades.
그런데 강도가 건넨 서류를 본 루크는 그만 놀라고 마는데요.
This is over £4 billion. So these are people's pensions. This is social workers, police, doctors.
Into the trades.
하나로 약 8조가량 되는 금액을 보자 루크와 자라는 손발이 떨리기 시작합니다.
Sorry. Sorry. That's all done. It's loading.
Commit the trades.
I can't.
Commit them. You can do this.
결국 루크는 거래를 진행하게 되고
Trades have gone through.
Everyone with authorization to sign off trades, raise your hands.
엄청난 거액의 거래의 상급자의 결제가 반드시 필요했는데요.
The system needs 3 people to sign off a trade. We need to approve them all and send them along.
You'll never get away with this. It's not us who holds the money. It's our custodian bank. And as soon as...
Just sign them off.
What's your name? George Cartwright.
Now tell me, George Cartwright, would you say it's an intelligent man who argues of an intruder holding a semi-automatic assault weapon?
No. Approve the trades.
그렇게 협박을 당한 이들은 어쩔 수 없이 결제를 승인하게 됩니다.
Trades.
That's it. All done.
Yeah, but they'll know that we've never sent money to those accounts before, so they're going to call and ask what's going on.
Yeah, you'll be here to tell them. So we wait.
잠시 후 거래 내역을 본 은행에서 전화가 오는데요.
Hello, Lockmill Capital. Claire speaking. How can I help? You ready?
This is it.
custodian bank.
Received. Keep him on hold. The custodian bank's on the line. When that rings, I want you to answer. Put it on speaker. No heroics, no secret messages. Understand? Once you've assured them, I want you to ask them to transfer the money immediately. Put them through.
Putting them through now.
하지만 이때 겁이 많던 루크의 멘탈이 무너지고 맙니다.
It's gonna go to voicemail.
결국 어쩔 수 없이 자라가 전화를 받는데요.
Lockmill Capital, how can I help?
Hello? Sorry, Zara?
All right, Warren.
친분이 있던 동료의 전화에 자라는 능숙하게 대화를 이어갑니다.
BVI, right? What are they?
It's just some new hedge funds we're getting into.
Pretty big amounts for new hedge fund investments. 4 billion.
Yep. Yeah, well, it's just a bunch of funds from a manager we're already invested with.
잠시 후 지옥 같은 시간이 흐르고
We're all good. I'll put them through today.
Brilliant. Thank you so much. Okay, bye. Okay, that's it. He's sending them over. You can go now.
We're not leaving till we see the money arrive in our account.
That could take hours.
15 to 30 minutes if your pal at the bank puts the trades through now. We wait.
단순할 줄 알았던 강도들은 생각보다 철저했고 또다시 사람들은 절망에 빠지는데요. 그런데 이때 한 남자가 의견을 제시합니다.
We can signal. At least if the police turn up, we've got a chance.
반대편 직원과 눈이 마주치자 남자는 수신호를 보내기 시작하는데요. 바로 그때
Nobody move!
Out the way.
결국 남자는 처참한 몰골이 되어 끌려나갑니다.
Did anyone in the other building see you? If someone saw you, tell me now. But if you say no, the police turn up, then we're in a hostage situation, and I will kill you. Understand? Did someone see you? Said no one saw.
You believe him?
No, he was lying. 2 minutes since I caught him, mate. If I'm right, we need to leave now.
Or we abort and the trade might not go through.
We need to make a decision.
그렇게 남자는 희생됐지만 상황은 변하기 시작하고
We walk out of here. First thing they do is cancel the trades. We don't know if a message got out.
Wait. Burley, run a check on the building opposite for activity.
You're watching us. They spotted me.
We need to abort. It's already 4 minutes since they saw.
Wait. Money's been transferred.
Lock and leave, now.
Get up!
Now! Into the conference room!
돈이 입금됐다는 소식에 강도들은 일사불란하게 도망칠 준비를 합니다. 잠시 후 경찰들이 도착했지만 강도들은 다시 평범한 직장인으로 둔갑해 유유히 사라지고 말죠. 그렇게 강도들은 사라지고 사람들은 겨우 지옥에서 해방될 수 있었습니다. 한편 포커를 좋아하는 경찰 리스는 사건에 대한 소식을 전달받는데요.
Miss Dunn. I'm DCI Reese Kovac. I'm the senior investigating officer. I thought I'd come over and say hello.
Hi.
Should we pop next door?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
리스는 강도들과 접촉한 시간이 많았던 루크와 자라에게 질문을 던져보려 하죠.
How are you feeling?
Just a bit dazed. I don't know. All feels like a bit of a dream.
You're in shock. Don't worry, it'll pass. First up, sorry for keeping you all here. We're working on getting you all out of here as soon as we can. You and your colleagues here have been ID'd as potential significant witnesses. It's why we're keeping you separate.
Okay.
It just means you interacted with the thieves more than everybody else. So whatever you can tell us will be invaluable. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
I heard what you did. Taking a phone call from the bank. It's brave. It's smart. I think maybe you saved a few lives. Their plan had gone wrong, you know. You did the right thing. You having a nosebleed?
Oh, God. I mean, I had. Oh. Do you mind if I go to the toilet to
Yeah.
my nose?
Sure, of course.
긴장이 풀린 탓이었을까? 피를 닦으러 화장실로 간 자라는 우연히 사람들의 대화를 엿듣게 됩니다.
I don't think it's the crimes that they're worried about.
So what then?
Isn't it obvious? They're worried it was an inside job.
Inside job?
Come on, Chi. They know everything about our operation. Our protocols, how our trade management system works, investment committee sign off custodian bank, all of it. And someone must have told them.
So you think it's one of us? Well, if one of us was involved, that's horrible.
Still, should make it easy to figure out who the inside man was.
Yeah, whoever turns up tomorrow in a Ferrari.
Or doesn't turn up at all.
그런데 어째선지 대화를 듣는 자라의 표정이 이상합니다. 다음날 새벽 황급히 노트북을 켜는 자라. 알고 보니 자라는 그 강도들과 한패였던 것이었죠. 그렇게 자라는 다시 출근을 하고 그 사이 사건을 브리핑 중인 경찰들.
And as we know, they all wore prosthetics, so our facial recognition software is completely useless. IRU tracked their exit on CCTV. We checked how they paid their fares, debit cards, all of them cloned. The level they're operating at, the professionalism, we're talking ex-army, ex-special services, so we need to move at warp speed, yeah? Any news on the account numbers yet?
Still nothing. Should come through soon, though. Commissioner's putting the pressure on.
수사를 맡은 리스에게 든든한 지원군이 도착하는데요.
Kovac.
Kovac. I'm Darren Yoshida, your financial investigator.
You should have been here yesterday afternoon.
No, I was assigned the case an hour ago, came straight here, so...
An hour ago?
Yeah.
So much for warp speed. Let's get you started.
그 시각 복잡한 마음으로 자라는 건물로 들어섭니다. 그리고 출근하자마자 자라는 루크를 조용히 불러내죠.
5 million? What are you They said 100 grand.
Luke, you need to check your account.
5 million?
Luke, you need to take the crypto from your account, put it on the cold wallet offline.
Yeah, and then I've got a bloody crypto wallet with 10 million too.
Which you can hide. Okay, if you leave the money online, then there's a trail between us and them. You need to do exactly what they told us, which actually, by the way, you should have done already. You can.
They've done this on purpose. You realise that they've done this so it looks like we were involved.
We were involved, okay? Just because they said it was going to be a hack.
알고 보니 루크 역시 공범이었지만 겁이 많은 루크는 생각보다 많이 입금된 금액의 마음을 바꿉니다.
I know.
We have to go to the police.
What?
It's the only way. We have to say that we were duped. And that we just thought we were giving business details over to a rival.
What do you think they'll do if we go to the police? You saw what they did to Jason and Dobby.
So what the fuck do we do?
Right now. Luke.
Hey.
The detectives from yesterday are here conducting a few follow-up interviews. They asked if they could speak with you.
Whatever they need. All good. Cool.
I'll see you both at the trauma counseling session later.
Oh yeah. Yeah, can't wait for that.
결국 두 사람의 대화는 흐지부지되고
Don't admit anything, okay? We need to really think it through. And also, if you confess, we'll spend the rest of our lives in prison, or we'll end up dead, okay?
그렇게 자라의 충고를 들은 루크는 곧장 리스에게 향합니다.
Luke, come in. Where's it go? Grab a seat. We know how much work you have on, dealing with the aftermath.
Yeah.
Tell you the truth, I'm impressed you turned up at all.
Yeah, well, it's an emergency, right? All hands on deck.
This is Darren Yoshida. He's an accredited financial investigator, which should hopefully give him a good insight into what happened.
Yeah. So, just a few technical questions, if that's all right. The 4 billion in your cash account, that's a pretty large chunk of your AUM, isn't it?
Mm.
Do you usually have that much sitting in cash?
No. No, it was just we were doing a portfolio rebalancing.
You do that often?
Yeah, probably every couple of years.
So the thieves just happened to strike on a single week in the last 3 years that you've had the money sitting in cash?
Yeah, I guess so, yeah.
당황한 루크가 더듬으며 말을 이어나가자 경찰들의 의심은 커지기만 하는데요.
Just to confirm, the thieves, they needed the investment committee to sign off the trades, right?
Mm.
Yeah. It just happened to be an investment committee meeting the morning of the robbery.
Luke, is there anything you want to tell us? These are dangerous people. They were carrying automatic weapons. And the way they were handling them suggests they're professionals. But us, we can protect you, Luke. You just need to give me the word.
Yeah, that's everything. I've told you everything I know. So, if that's all, am I good to go? Sorry. Thank you.
잠시 후 루크가 나가자 리스를 포함한 동료들은 루크가 의심스럽다고 말합니다.
If I was planning this and wanted an inside man, I'd go for someone on the trade processing team.
You're planning a heist like this. You don't let it all rest on someone like Luke. They cultivated a backup too. We don't have enough to arrest him yet. I'll talk to the super about surveillance.
그 사이 자라는 루크를 만나 절대 이번 일을 누설하지 말라고 다시 한번 경고하는데요.
Just remember, tomorrow morning, call in sick with stress. I mean, you already announced to half the company how distressed you are. Won't suspect. Gonna get through this, okay? Just follow the plan.
한편 경찰들은 자금이 이체된 계좌의 정보를 알아냅니다.
This is where the money is.
No, it's where the money was sent to accounts in this bank, but no idea whose accounts yet.
Willemstad Bank and Trust, British Virgin Islands.
I've never heard of it.
Oh, no reason you should have. It's a private bank in a notorious tax haven. Be like a Swiss bank, small, discreet, super rich. You'll need to be quick. The money won't stay there long.
Maybe it's already gone.
Yeah, maybe.
그 시각 집으로 돌아온 루크는 자신이 미행당하고 있다는 것을 느끼는데요.
Bravo, I have eyes on subject in his building. He's at his window. Looks like he's surveilling the street. Over.
범인들은 어째선지 루크를 감시하고 있었습니다. 한편 돈이 든 암호화폐 지갑을 들고 엄마의 집을 찾는 자라.
Just wanted to see how you are. It's all just been a bit shit at the moment, and
하지만 엄마와 자라의 사이는 그다지 좋아 보이진 않았습니다. 이 틈에 자라는 돈을 숨길 장소를 찾기 시작하고
What the fuck are you doing?
I don't know.
What, you got nostalgic?
그렇게 자라는 다시 돌아가죠.
More on the robbery at Lockmill Capital. Police confirmed earlier today that the amount stolen from the pensions manager was in excess of £4 billion.
그 사이 자라의 엄마는 그녀의 직장에서 거액의 돈이 사라졌다는 뉴스를 접합니다.
Hey, Luke.
Sorry, it's me. Sorry, I know you said not to call, but
I did not say that.
It's the cop wallet. I've done the transfer, but I can't go outside to stash it because they're outside. And I can't hide it in here because of the bugs. So what the fuck do I do?
Luke, what bugs? What are you talking about?
I think they're watching me, Sarah. I think they bugged my flat. I have to call the police.
No. Do not call the police. Stay where you are. I'm gonna come over, okay?
루크는 겁이나 자라에게 도움을 청하지만 이 통화 내용은 그대로 범인들에게 전달되고 있었죠.
I told you he was going to get worse. He's a liability. We need to take him out now. We're good to go.
Copy that. Moving now.
결국 범인들은 루크를 제거하기로 하는데요. 경찰들의 감시를 피해 배달원으로 위장한 남자.
Pizza delivery.
I didn't order anything.
You're number 48.
Yeah, I didn't order anything.
Fuck's sake, this is the third time this week. Look, listen, brother. Do you want the pizzas for a tip? I'll just be throwing them away otherwise.
배달 사고인 척하며 남자는 루크의 집으로 들어갈 기회를 얻게 됩니다.
He's inside. Go.
그렇게 범인들이 루크의 집으로 향하는 사이 리스에게 도움을 청하려는 루크. 그 시각 리스는 포커를 끝내고 나오는 길이었죠.
Not like you to it and run. Not running, Jimmy. I'm strolling. This Kovac.
Hi. It's Luke. Can I talk to you about some things?
Hi, Luke. You okay?
Yeah, I don't want to talk about it on the phone. Can you come here?
Luke, if you've got something important to tell me, please tell me now. I promise you.
You could come here. Come here. I don't want to talk about it.
Luke, if it's important...
Just come here. Come here, please. Come here.
Okay. Sure, I'm heading off now. In the meantime, stay inside, stay safe. See you in a bit. He's coming on his own from Bishopsgate. That gives us 7 minutes.
불안해하는 루크가 이상해 리스는 감시반에게 전화를 걸어보는데요.
Gov. Hello, mate. Just had a call from our subject, asked me to come round for a chat. He sounded agitated. Anything happening there?
All quiet.
Check with the unit at the back of the building.
X-ray 2 Bravo, 1 Alpha. Do a walk past to the subject building. Over.
그 사이 루크의 집에 도착한 자라는 일부러 멀찌감치 차에서 내려 걸어가죠. 잠시 후 의문의 노크 소리가 들리고
Food delivery, hello?
상황을 살피던 루크가 옷장 속에서 나와 황급히 도망치려던 그 순간 예상외로 상황이 길어지자 범인들은 자신들의 흔적을 지우기 시작합니다. 잠시 후 엘리베이터가 올라오자 자라는 놀라고 말죠. 그 사이 전속력으로 도망치던 루크. 그렇게 루크는 결국 범인들에게 잡혀 끌려가고 맙니다. 잠시 후 범인들이 달아난 현장에서 그들이 사용한 약품을 발견하는 자라. 그 시각 리스가 루크의 집에 도착하는데요. 이때 리스는 도망치듯 창문으로 빠져나오는 자라를 목격하고 말죠.
I wasn't involved. Did they?
Our best guess is they abducted him for some reason.
Okay, so shouldn't you be out there chasing after them or at the crime scene or something?
I've got 2 entire squads doing that. Right now, my only job is to sit at this table till you tell me what you're doing here, Zara.
He called me up. He was babbling, distraught, so I told him I would come over and see if he was okay. And then when I got there, I saw the blood in the lift. And I just had to get out.
Of a window? You and Luke must be pretty tight then, you rushing through the night for him.
Yeah, we are.
So he tells you everything.
He didn't tell me he was going to get kidnapped.
What about the heist?
No.
Did he offer you a share?
No.
So your best mate had a £4 billion payday and he didn't think to cut you in? You see anyone when you're inside the building? Anything might make the difference between us saving Luke or not. It's not just him. If they saw you, you're in just as much danger. Okay. Someone will call you tomorrow to take your statement.
결국 리스는 일단 자라를 보내주기로 합니다.
It wasn't your fault, you know, Reese. It was the surveillance team that fucked up.
What about Zara? To get a read on her?
Yeah, she's involved.
We've got enough to arrest her.
Not yet. Let's put her under surveillance. I'll gather some background info. You go get a statement from her. We can cross-check it with the team who are watching Luke.
한편 집에 돌아온 자라는 그제서야 한숨을 돌리고 벽에 붙은 사진을 보다 루크와의 과거를 회상합니다.
Where's Wayne and Chi?
They went to,
Oh, nice.
Sorry, did they not piss you off? The investment committee dickheads.
They're not all dickheads. Milo's all right.
£1 million a year. Basic with a 100% guaranteed bonus. What the fuck do they do for it? They're getting rich off our work.
No, that's not true.
Meanwhile, we're sitting there processing all their bullshit trades, and what do we get for it?
잠시 후 루크는 자신에게 솔깃한 제안을 해온 사람들이 있다며 자라를 꼬시기 시작했는데요.
Where online?
It's $100,000.
You are being groomed.
Listen, they said
by
they need 2 of us, which is why I'm asking you, do you want in? Yes or no?
No, I am not going to jail for 50 grand.
No. It's $100,000. It's $100,000 each, okay? And you're not going to go to jail because all they want to do is just get some info to hack our accounts. It's $100,000. We fucking deserve it. We're making more money than we are ever going to see in our entire lives.
하지만 자라는 계속 거절했죠.
Wait. Do you know what you're going to turn out like? Your mum.
Fuck you. No, you know what? Fuck you. I'm going in on Monday. I'm going to change teams. I'm going to get put on track for an investment role. You can process trades on your fucking own.
다음 날 자라는 호언장담했지만 무시만 당했고 결국 자신이 원하는 부서로 이동하지 못했는데요.
One condition. I want to meet them in person. Otherwise, I'm not getting involved.
그렇게 자라와 루크의 과거가 조금씩 드러나는 사이 리스는 국가정보원인 MI5가 이 수사에 참여한다는 것을 통보받습니다.
MI5? You serious?
It's in their remit, and it's just one analyst.
못마땅했지만 거절할 힘도 없었기에 결국 리스는 받아들이기로 하죠.
DCI Kovacs. Sam Fitz.
Reese is fine. Pleased to meet you.
You too. Look, I just wanted to say straight off the bat, I'm not here to step on any toes. I'm a resource. I've got a line straight back to Thames House. All the tech and expertise we've got there, but only if you want it.
That's great. Thank you.
리스가 이렇게 못마땅한 이유는 MI5의 수사 방식은 너무나도 강경했기 때문이었습니다.
Everyone.
그 사이 자라는 어젯밤 주운 약품에 묻은 지문을 채취할 방법을 찾고 있었는데요.
Today, we're going to show you how experts copy fingerprints that have been left in blood.
그렇게 유튜브에서 본 지식을 바탕으로 자라는 필요한 약품들을 구입하죠.
Zara? D.I.L.E. Lloyd. We met the other day? She's here to take your statement about last night. This is my colleague, Sam Fitch. I thought you were going to call. We're calling now.
Well, no, I meant on the phone to arrange coming over.
Have we caught you at a bad time?
Flat's in a bit of a state and I haven't really slept, so maybe we can do this some other time.
No. That's good.
결국 피할 수 없겠다 판단한 자라는 이들과 함께 집으로 들어갑니다.
Should we sit down and take the statement? Yeah.
이렇게 자라가 질문을 받는 사이 리스는 자라의 엄마를 찾았는데요.
Thanks for taking the time.
자라의 엄마는 리스가 온 이유를 추측하다 얼마 전 본 뉴스가 기억이 납니다.
Line of work. So you think my daughter stole £4 billion?
Not exactly.
Right, so why are you here?
She ever talked to you about her work?
No, hang on. Why are you here?
Oh, well, I'm trying to look for...
Listen, why are you here?
No, I'm worried about her. She's mixed up with some dangerous people.
Right. So you're her knight in shining armor, come to save her. Watch out, DCI Kovic. The jaded office worker stumbling through life. That's just her pretending she chose it all. Like it's not eating her up inside. It's a very dangerous combination. You know? Intelligence and frustration. You asked me if my daughter could have been involved in a heist. Well, I wouldn't be surprised if she masterminded the whole bloody thing. If she set her mind to it. Problem is, she never sets her mind to anything. She's scared. Go on. Ask me something else.
She's been acting differently recently.
Oh, no. She broke off all contact.
When was the last time you saw her?
I haven't seen her in months.
그런데 어째선지 자라의 엄마는 거짓말을 했고 결국 리스는 떠날 수밖에 없었는데요.
And then I saw all the blood and I just knew I had to get out of there.
And when you arrived, you had your head up.
Oh, it was cold.
Really?
Yeah.
It's quite mild, I thought. No?
15 degrees.
And the cab that you claimed you got there, it's not on CCTV. There's just a shot of you walking in with your head up.
한편 자라는 계속된 송곳 질문에 대답하다 의심만 더 사고 맙니다.
Zara, you sure you want to submit this as your statement?
No, yeah, it's fine.
Okay. And then sign and date this at the bottom.
Thank you.
이때 MI5 요원인 피치가 자라가 산 약을 발견하는데요.
My God, she's so fucking guilty. I'll write up a report and send it to Nichols. We need to get her under surveillance ASAP.
I'm not so sure.
Are you serious?
Look, maybe she's involved, but she's not the angle here. The angle's finding Luke. It's tracking the money. She's a bit part at best. We've got her inside, man. That's who we focus on.
So the surveillance request?
We don't need it. I'll speak to Nichols. He'll understand.
그렇게 경찰들이 돌아가고 한숨을 쉬던 자라는 다시 범인들을 만났을 때를 회상합니다.
Luke and Zara?
Yes.
So, this is just a get-to-know-you meeting, all right?
It's just an hour-long chat where you tell us how your trading system works. No one's going to know you had anything to do with it. No one's going to get her and the money. Take it from the tobacco execs, like we said.
There's no need to make a decision now. This isn't a hard sell. Just have a think about it and let us know, okay? Any questions?
Why aren't you guys wearing masks or disguises or anything? I mean, you're about to do this big crime, and you've just shown a pair of strangers your faces.
The point of this meeting was to get to know each other, build some trust. We couldn't do that if we turn up in disguises, could we?
This is going to be a victimless crime. Like I said, no one's going to get hurt, especially not one of us.
Like I said, have a think. In the meantime, it's probably best if we leave one by one.
결국 먼저 돌아가기로 한 자라.
Evening. Hackney, right?
Yeah. Wait, do you see that car behind us? When it moves, can you follow it?
The app says Green Arch Street, Hackney.
Yeah, but I've changed my mind. Can you follow that car, please?
So what is he? Your boyfriend?
Yeah.
범인들의 정체가 궁금했던 자라는 당시 그들의 아지트를 쫓아간 적이 있었죠.
Just stop here. Okay, you can go.
그렇게 잠시 마음을 추스린 자라는 채취한 지문을 보며 무언가를 결심합니다. 한편 금융수사관 대로는 범인들의 자금이 어디로 갔는지 찾아냈는데요.
So, these accounts are where the money's been sent.
You serious?
Sounds pretty, yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Someone stole £4 billion worth of pensions and sent it to the offshore accounts of an arms dealer.
They're not an arms dealer, Reece. They're a defense contractor. Every one of our fighter jets, missile systems.
Yeah, right. So, why would they take money from a heist?
You didn't think that maybe whoever's behind this might be using the money to buy arms?
You're buying arms under the table. You don't go to a household name with money that's all over the news.
Okay, well then someone's just using their accounts then.
Why? Why use their accounts? Why not set up your own?
My guess would be these are the kinds of accounts used to pay bribes.
You think MI5 know about this?
Think about the tools MI5 have. They probably knew 10 minutes after the heist.
잠시 후 리스는 부하에게서 자라의 진술 내용을 보고받습니다.
Fitch came with me to take Zara Dunn's statement. She's totally involved, Reece. I could see it, Fitch could see it, she could see it. But we get outside, and Fitch says she's probably not involved, and he's going to talk to Nichols about turning down our surveillance request. Whatever Fitch is up to, Nichols is involved too, no? They don't want us going near her. He basically told me she's off limits.
Fitch definitely knew she was lying.
Yeah. And then he pretended she wasn't, but it was fucking blatant. What are we gonna do?
Act like everything's cool. I'll take care of it.
이렇게 리스의 생각보다 사건이 커지는 사이 자라는 범인들의 아지트로 향하는데요. 대담하게 자라는 범인들의 아지트로 들어갑니다.
Can I help you? Is what you're doing here?
It's evidence on the desk. Could have given it to the cops, but I brought it here to you.
It's how you get this address.
I just wanted to come here and tell you that you can trust me. I'm not going to make any trouble like Luke.
I say it's how you get this address!
Promise.
결국 자라는 쫓기고 마는데요.
겨우 도망친 자라는 황급히 버스에 올라타고
Hey, Mum.
Yeah, what's up?
I was just thinking about popping over.
I'm on a night shift tonight.
Or maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, come round tomorrow. I'll be home tomorrow.
All right. See ya.
Bye, love.
그렇게 자라 엄마가 묘한 표정으로 통화를 끊는 사이 리스는 상관에게 수사 방침에 대해 따지는데요.
Is my investigation being set up to fail? Why? Someone's pressuring you.
They aren't pressuring me. They're threatening me. Reese, if you want to carry on being a policeman when this is all over, find a reason to excuse yourself from the case that doesn't point suspicion my way, then step away. I cannot guarantee that whoever's in charge of this case will come out of it in one piece. Especially someone like you.
Someone like me.
A man with debts.
Is this why I was picked for this? To be the fall guy.
Don't be so bloody paranoid. Resign the case.
결국 리스는 부당한 압박을 받게 되고 그 사이 자라는 엄마의 집에 몰래 들어갑니다.
Going somewhere?
You scared the shit out of me. I thought you were at work.
Yeah, and I thought you were coming round tomorrow. It's not up there anymore. You're not stupid, Zara. For God's sake. I haven't seen you in months, and then you turn up out of the blue the day after your company's been robbed. So I looked up what a cold wallet is. Spent all afternoon researching it. So how much is on it?
If you read up, then you would know that you can't get into it without my passwords. It's worthless without my passwords, actually.
All right. And your passwords are worthless without the cold wallet. So here we are.
안타깝게도 돈 문제가 걸리자 모녀간의 온정은 사라지고 마는데요.
What do you want?
Storage fees.
The people that I am dealing with, I think they want me dead. They were chasing me and...
You brought them here.
Well, I was trying to do a deal with them. Please, I need the cold wallet so I...
Wow. You've really bitten off more than you can chew, haven't you? Look, love, I give you that cold wallet. You're off to Brazil and I never see you again.
I don't fucking believe you.
Come on, you give me 1 million, you get to keep the other 4 million. Everybody's
Mum,
happy.
you're not getting £1 million. You're going to end up blowing through it and we'll both end up arrested.
Oh, come on, darling. Look, you've got to learn to trust me more.
그렇게 두 사람 간의 말싸움은 끝나지 않고 결국 자라는 암호화폐 지갑을 못 얻고 돌아가기로 합니다.
Get all high. Yeah, you just go home, calm down, and then give me a call in a few days, and we'll work something out. Okay?
You don't get it, Mum. After tonight, I won't be alive in a few days.
잠시 후 한숨을 쉬던 자라는 자신의 집에 누군가가 있는 것을 발견하고 위기의 순간 자라는 리스의 도움으로 빠져나올 수 있었는데.
You okay?
Thank you. I feel like such a fucking idiot. I was trying to reason with them, give them a peace offering. Fuck!
Who's them?
The thieves.
Zara, that wasn't a thief trying to pick you up back there.
Who else would it be?
It was MI5.
Why would MI5 want to abduct me?
They want to know what you know. They abduct you, threaten you, torture you. And you disappear, that's how it works.
No, they could interview me. They could talk to me.
Yeah, they could, or they could go in heavy.
How did you know they were going to be at my flat?
이때 자라는 리스도 의심합니다.
Stop the car. Stop the fucking
They
car.
planted someone.
Stop the fucking car. I'm jumping out.
Are you...
Stop the car!
Why were you at my flat?
I wanted to put you under surveillance. MI5 blocked it. I figured either you're working for them or they wanted to pick you up. So I came here.
I'm not working for MI5.
Yeah, I kind of figured that out already.
Why would they? I'm not.
You know what? You're a criminal, Zara. You did steal that money, right? You and your mates?
Yes, but I wasn't. They're not my mates, okay? I met them through Luke. I just gave them some info, that's all. They said it was for a hack. I didn't know what they were gonna do, okay? I swear.
결국 자라는 리스에게 모든 걸 털어놓게 되고 두 사람은 잠시 한숨 돌릴 시간을 갖습니다.
Yeah.
Cheers.
My investigation's being set up to fail. Told me to resign the case. I figure we've got common enemies. Common goals.
You want me to work with you? Like behind their backs?
Obstructing my case. I'm on my own here.
Okay, so I team up with you, you arrest the robbers, and then what?
You tell the court what you told me. You were duped, you thought it was a hack. I doubt you'll do any prison time.
You doubt?
You're worried about the thieves coming after you. We put them behind bars, they can't come after you.
Yeah, but then I've still got MI5 to deal with.
If thieves are in prison, MI5 don't need your info. You go back to being an afterthought.
No, sorry, this has got nope written all over it.
Fine. Take your chances on your own. I'll drop you back at your flat. MI5's probably still there. You can tell them you thought it was a hack while they load you into the back of a van with a hood over your head.
What's in it for you?
If I catch the people who did this, my investigation hasn't failed.
Okay, so you're using me. You are just as bad as the others.
You need to find some armed robbers before they kill you, right? I'm an armed robbery cop. So maybe, if it makes you feel better, you're using me.
그렇게 리스의 말에 꽂힌 자라는 당분간 리스와 함께 움직이기로 하는데요.
The money to be stolen had to be moved out of investments and into cash, right? That wasn't your Luke. Who did that?
We're way too low down the ladder. It would have. If you think someone on the investment committee was involved?
They're not just involved. Someone that high up. Wouldn't be surprised they were in charge of the whole bloody thing.
Who would have made the decision to move the investments into cash?
Cartwright's the chief investment officer, but they have these committee meetings where they all vote on strategy.
Are they meeting notes?
Yeah, but they're on a network drive and only committee members have access.
Do you think you could, gain access?
Me? I mean, why don't you just go in there and confiscate the drives?
Because then the drives end up at our data lab, MI5 find out.
We're in a race against MI5 to find the thieves. I get it.
It'll be fine.
I think there's a way. The meeting notes. Cartwright is fucking useless with technology. He's always forgetting his passwords. It's kind of a running joke. So Dahlia, his PA, keeps a list of them on her computer. Maybe I can sneak the passwords. The only thing is, I emailed work this morning and I told them I wanted compassionate leave.
I had to go back in and tell them you changed your mind.
잠시 후 자라를 호텔까지 데려다주는 리스.
Thank you.
It's not charity. We're using each other, remember?
Before I took the vial back to the warehouse, took an impression of the fingerprint. You think you can use it without MI5 finding out?
How'd you manage to do it?
I found a tutorial channel on YouTube. Crime Scene Pro, do you know him?
No.
Oh.
Probably didn't like and subscribe.
한편 범인들은 자라가 놓고 간 약병으로 인해 혼란스러워졌습니다.
Anybody want to tell me how she got hold of it?
Fuck off. You knocked the syringe. I had to reload.
And you left a vial there with your fingerprint.
Okay. It was an error.
Yeah. It was your fucking error.
현재 루크는 범인들의 아지트에서 감금당한 상태였는데요.
If she knows about that, what else does she know about?
There's one way to find out. Move!
Please.
리더로 보이는 남자는 루크에게 자라의 영상을 보여주죠.
I don't understand.
Your friend. What does she know?
What did you tell her?
No, I didn't tell her anything. I told her what I was supposed to.
How did she know about the office?
What office? I don't know.
Your mate knows where her office was. How is that?
I don't know. I saw her. Please, don't kill me.
Can we trust her?
그렇게 자라의 행동으로 루크가 위기에 빠진 사이 리스는 감식반을 찾았는데요.
It's from a source I had to keep secret. Ace, you know I can't run this through the system without a reference number. How long we known each other, Isaac? Please. Okay, look.
이때 리스는 6일 안에 빚을 갚지 못하면 집이 팔린다는 문자 메시지를 받습니다.
Okay. Yeah, fine.
한편 자라는 리스의 충고대로 다시 회사로 출근하는데요.
I was just sitting in my flat, staring at the walls. Nothing to distract me. I mean, I think I need to be around people, you know?
그렇게 다시 자리로 가려던 자라는 한 가지 계획을 세웁니다.
Could I sit somewhere else? It's just my desk is where it all happened.
Oh, of course. Yeah, where do you want to sit?
Maybe one of the offices, Cartwrights.
Oh, I totally understand you not wanting to come back to your desk, but I can't give you Cartwright's office. You know, Josh has worked from home all week. Great.
잠시 후 배우로 의심되는 카트라이트의 비서에게 접근하려는 자라.
Hey, I was just loading up these trades in the stack, and I wanted to run them by Cartwright quickly, just for a sense check. Could you see when he's free?
Sure. Looks like the earliest I could do is tomorrow, 9:45. He's got 10 minutes.
Shit.
Are you okay?
God, I've just come over all nauseous.
You want
something to eat?
Okay.
비서가 자리를 비운 사이 자라는 카트라이트의 비밀번호를 알아내려 하는데요.
I was just looking at Cartwright's calendar while you were gone. Just save some time.
Your biscuits. And anything else estimated?
No, 9:45 is perfect.
Hey, Kay. Hey. I guess this one must be yours.
그 시각 리스는 범죄 자금이 송금됐다고 알려진 CEO 토비 굴드에게 향합니다.
So what have you got for me? Must have something. Who's behind this? What are they playing at? Why are they getting me involved? What?
You're claiming you know nothing about how that money landed in your
Of
account.
course I don't bloody know. First I heard about it was some journal from the Times calling me up. What about you? You're the MI5 man. You got anything?
Nothing, I'm afraid, Sir Toby.
Who's this?
This is Darren Yoshida. He's a senior financial investigator attached to our economic crime department.
Unfortunately, the stolen money is no longer in our accounts. It was moved on just 10 minutes after it arrived, most likely via a hack of some kind.
Someone hacked into your account and moved the money out 10 minutes after it arrived?
I'm afraid so.
알고 보니 범인은 토비가 편법을 쓴 계좌의 비자금까지 이체해버렸는데요.
We just don't have the money anymore to return it.
In that case, you definitely need to give us the statements.
You
With
can't
the money
tell.
gone, it's going to look like you were responsible.
It's protected under the Official Secrets Act.
No, they're not. They're statements from secret accounts you use to pay illegal bribes. We already know that. Times are probably figuring out as we speak.
I'm not going to be talked down to by some fucking loser accountant who's clearly been such a fucking failure in his life, he ends up working for the police.
I'm not actually an accountant. I never gained any accountancy qualifications, but as well as being a fully qualified financial investigator, I am a chartered financial analyst, a chartered alternative investment analyst, and a certified financial risk manager. There are fewer than 100 triple charter holders in the world. By the time I left, we built up the AUM at just under $25 billion. I do draw the line at weapons of mass destruction, but apart from that, we're quite similar. Sir Toby. For one, my kids go to the same school as yours, although mine actually passed the entrance exams.
Get the fuck out of my sight.
Fuck's sake, Darren.
I'm sorry, he was talking down to us, okay?
Yeah, he's allowed to.
덕분에 토비에게선 더 이상 정보를 캐낼 수 없게 됐습니다. 한편 루크는 우연히 범인들이 초조해하며 나누는 대화를 엿듣는데요.
Changes to the plan.
Why would there be?
Because we've been compromised. She knows about the office. Maybe she knows about this place too.
Look, this is the plan. We stick to it. We stay here in case there are any more clean-up jobs. Then we get the all clear, we get the money and leave. Nothing's changed.
You know, if it was me that hired us, I'd have us all eyed out together too. And when the time was right, I'd wipe us all out in one go.
Just a few more days, then this'll all be over.
That's another thing that's pissing me off. What's this big thing we're waiting around for?
Just keep yourself busy, all right?
Fuck this.
알고 보니 범인들은 누군가에게 고용됐지만 아직 돈 한 푼을 받지 못한 상태였죠. 그날 밤 기회를 엿보던 루크가 말을 건넵니다.
I think you're right. Them not making your hang around here. It's dodgy as fuck. Right? I mean, they know it, and you know it. They're fucking with you. I need you more than they do. And I've already been paid.
그 시각 자라는 카트라이트가 퇴근하기만을 기다리는데요. 그가 퇴근하자 조심스레 자라는 그의 방으로 들어갔고 컴퓨터에서 놀랄만한 정보를 찾아내죠.
Hello?
Ms. Dunn, this is DCI Reese Kovac. I was just wondering if you're free to answer
Some questions. I know it's late, but it's urgent.
Hello, DCI Kovac. I mean, I'm actually still at the Lockman offices if you want to come by.
I'll be there in a bit.
잠시 후 자라의 부탁대로 리스가 도착합니다.
New office.
Perk of the trauma. So what was with the phone call, DCI Kovac? Do you think maybe our phones are bugged?
No, just like calling people up randomly and talking like a robot. In case. I had a call before I came here. The estate agent who rented the basement to the thieves. Contracts with some front company based in Panama.
Dead end. What about you? Any joy?
The decision to move everything into cash was made in a committee meeting because of a risk report. That's what it was based on, risk metrics.
So I got it all wrong. There was no one person behind it.
But I was thinking, what if someone faked the numbers in the risk report knowing it would cause everything to be moved into cash? That's the report. Look at the names.
이때 자라는 누군가가 보고서를 조작했을 거라 의심했고 이런 보고서를 수정할 수 있는 사람은 마일로와 케이트밖에 없다고 말하죠.
Milo's a bit of an idiot, but Kate, I mean, she's in charge of that team. She checks every report that goes out. And if the numbers are fake, she would have picked it up. So if there's a mastermind at Lockmill, it's Kate.
So what's the next step? Can you figure out if the numbers are fake?
I could try to reverse engineer the numbers, but it is needle in a haystack stuff.
This is good, Zara. We're making progress. This is how investigations work.
No, it's not that. Just been stuck in here all day. How risky would it be if we went out for some food?
I might know somewhere private.
그렇게 리스는 자라와 함께 조용히 식사를 하기로 합니다.
Denise, how's it going?
fuck is up with this place, huh?
Play poker here sometimes.
So you're a cop who plays poker at illegal card games?
It's not illegal to run a private poker game in the UK. Or to gamble.
So why play here and not a casino?
Because it's fun.
When was the first time you knew I was lying?
That night at Luke's. You're actually a pretty decent liar. A strategist. You make a good poker player.
Don't think so. Too risk-averse.
That's the trick when you're playing poker. You have to divorce the stakes from the strategy.
이야기를 나누며 두 사람은 점점 가까워지고 있었는데요.
Knowing what you want to do.
다음 날 출근한 자라는 케이트와 마일로에게서 눈을 떼지 못하죠. 잠시 후 점심 식사를 하는 자라.
Do you mind? There's nowhere free.
그런데 이때 처음 보는 남자가 자라와 합석을 하는데요.
The man sitting to your right has got a syringe in his left hand.
Syringe has got a toxin in it that will see you dead in 10 minutes. Will look like a coronary. It will just take a nod from me, and the syringe will be in and out your thigh before anyone's noticed.
You're MI5.
You're gonna finish your food, and when the two men next to you rise, you're gonna rise too.
It's fine. Except I'm suddenly not hungry anymore.
And go.
그렇게 자라는 남자들과 함께 지정된 택시로 향합니다. 한편 루크는 모건이라는 남자와 이야기를 이어나가는데요.
Start talking.
Okay, all right. I know you haven't been paid yet. I have 5 million. Help me escape, and we split it 2 ways.
2.5 million's not gonna cut it.
So what? Wait here with people that don't trust you. And like I said, who's to say you're even gonna get paid? At least with me, you know it's guaranteed. For 5 million.
You're never gonna give me all your money.
I'm not offering you my 5 million.
Zara.
You take her money, and you get your revenge.
그 시각 자라는 MI5와 함께 어딘가로 향하고 있습니다.
How about we go for a walk?
그렇게 자라는 여자의 요청대로 걸으며 대화를 나누는데요.
Look, Zara, we've been following you. We know that you're involved. We know that you've been running a Sub Rosa investigation with DCI Reese Kovac. That you have valuable info no one else has.
Zara, listen. We're your best option. We want the same things. Do we?
Well, you want things to go back to normal, your old life. That's what we want. Terrorist attacks. The financial system's buckling because a pension heist caused a collapse in confidence. So, please, tell us what you know.
Or what?
Well, fucking MI5, we can kill you and make it look like a stroke.
I want a deal.
Oh, no, you're not in a position.
I think someone else was involved at Lockmull. Someone high up. Maybe the person who organised it all.
Who is it?
I don't know yet.
Fuck's sake.
But I'm working on it. Just give me a day or two. And in return, I want to stay out of prison and keep my money.
Yeah, no, we don't do get out of jail free cards. But what I can offer you is a new identity.
What's the catch?
Well, firstly, you can't stay in the country. Secondly, what you give us can't be chicken feed. And thirdly, you give it to us alone, not to your boyfriend in the police.
He's not my boyfriend, and what the fuck is your problem with the police anyway?
What if it turns out the money was stolen by one of Britain's enemies? See, the police don't care about that. They'll follow this wherever it goes. That's their job. But for us, We find the narrative going somewhere that might destabilize things. Well, we steer it in a different direction, as gently as we can.
And if an innocent policeman gets thrown under the bus, so be it.
He's a gambling addict. Did you know that? Fucking massive debts. The kind you'd do anything to pay off. You get what I mean? So, find the insider. Then pick a team. The fuck-up gambler who's after your money. Or us.
결국 자라는 리스에 관한 이야기를 들으며 달콤한 제안까지 받습니다. 고민을 거듭하던 자라는 먼저 리스에게로 가 MI5의 말이 사실인지 알아보기로 하죠.
You can't be here.
How big of a problem is your gambling?
What? Zara, I'm not interested in your money. I'm not playing you.
But you are in debt.
Yes.
How much?
Just under 100 grand, and I have a week to pay it off.
Or what?
Or it gets sold on from someone I know to people I don't even want to think about.
If I gave you the money, would you take it?
Yeah.
So you were lying before when you said you weren't after my money?
No, I'm in debt. That is not why I'm doing this. I'm doing this because I don't like being pushed around. I need to know what is going
I
on.
don't believe you. There's something else.
자라가 자신의 진위를 의심한다고 느끼자 리스는 자라에게 자신이 이 사건을 쫓는 진짜 이유에 대해 말합니다.
All I've got is my job, Zara. If I lose it, I'll have nothing but poker tables. And I don't know where I'll end up. That's why I'm doing this. Save myself from myself. That is the entire, honest to God, genuine. You believe me now?
Yeah.
그렇게 리스의 진심 어린 눈빛을 본 자라는 그의 말을 신뢰하면서도 동시에 인간적으로 끌리기 시작합니다.
I'm sorry about just now. I'm sorry if I'm doing your head in.
You're not. Dad came round.
Really?
Yeah. God knows why, but I like spending time with you.
결국 두 사람은 서로에 대한 마음을 확인하고 연인으로 발전하죠.
Tea?
다음 날 어색하게 일어난 리스에게 수사에 대한 메시지가 도착하는데요.
What is it?
It's a fingerprint lab. They sent over some possible matches. Have a look through. I'll put the kettle on.
Yeah.
그렇게 사진들을 보던 자라에게 한 남자가 눈에 들어옵니다.
Nothing's changed. Okay.
Go to work, run risk reports till I figure out who's behind it all.
Stay safe.
한편 이번 사건으로 인해 고위층들의 비자금 문제가 연달아 터져 나오는데요.
What's going on?
There's been another leak. The money's turned up in some dodgy offshore accounts linked to a family trust set up by the Chancellor.
You're shitting me.
I'll be giving a statement in due course. I will not.
그 시각 자라가 일하는 로크밀에서도 이 뉴스가 전해지고 그 사이 자라에게 동료가 다가옵니다.
I need to talk to you about something. You've been running risk modeling software, like all of yesterday.
Look, it's all these rebalancing trades. I need to run risk reports. And half the office is on leave, so I'm just taking the initiative.
Okay. Well, every time you run a simulation, the app generates millions of regressions.
I know how it works.
Which means you've been locking up the server.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, well, I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Leave the risk modeling server to the risk modeling team.
그런데 이때 자라는 자신이 위험 분석 시뮬레이터를 돌린 것을 어떻게 남자가 알았는지 궁금해졌는데요.
How did you know I was running risk simulation?
I looked in the log.
Cool.
Why are you asking?
No, no reason.
그때 자라는 범행 당시 누군가가 이 시뮬레이터를 돌렸을 거라고 생각했고 그 예상은 정확히 적중하죠. 그렇게 이번 사건의 흑막이 드러납니다.
I know it was you. Fuck off, Milo. I saw the risk report. You moved the investments into cash so that they could all be nicked. You left a paper trail this bloody wide. You and Luke were in it together. You two roped me into it.
Zara, I didn't organize anything, okay? They recruited me. I recruited Luke. Then we got you involved. That's how it happened.
So you're not the person behind it all?
No.
하지만 마일로 역시 누군가의 달콤한 제안에 휘말렸을 뿐 사건을 주도한 흑막은 아니었는데요.
There's another bloody layer. Because I'm in some serious shit, Milo. Okay, the police and MI5 both think I'm involved, and they are pressuring me.
MI5?
They abducted me on my lunch break. Just tell me what you know, or I'm giving them your name.
You can't.
I can.
Either MI5 or the cops. Deal.
What have you got?
They gave me a number to call in case of an emergency. I've saved it to a burner phone. I give you the phone. You never mention my name to anyone. Deal.
Deal. Where's the phone?
It's at home.
Okay, let's go. Now.
Fuck.
그 시각 리스는 자라가 지목한 남자의 정보를 알기 위해 가족을 찾아가 보기로 합니다.
Jenna, we're looking for your dad. We think he might be in trouble, and we want to help him.
He called me? Like?
Did he talk about himself?
No.
And he called you on your mobile phone? Have you got the call saved in your call history?
한편 자라는 마일로를 따라 그의 집으로 들어서고 엄청난 집 크기에 놀라고 마는데요.
You live here?
Yeah? What?
I don't fucking get it. You're loaded. Why'd you even bother coming to work, let alone getting involved in a heist?
Well, I got a mortgage. Got to pay for this place.
How much did they pay you? Well, they must have offered you a shitload to make it worth your while. How much?
This is ridiculous.
How much?
20. All right?
20 million?
No, 20 avocados. What the fuck? Well, how much did they offer you?
100 grand.
Sorry.
괜시리 자라는 마일로와의 차이를 듣곤 빈정이 상하기
Pay for
시작합니다.
this place, quit my job.
What about all this stuff? Toby Gould and the Chancellor.
No fucking clue. They sold it to me as a theft, but this... I mean, this isn't just a heist anymore. This is something else. There's nothing on it apart from a single number saved to the memory. What are you going to do with it?
Give it to the police. Right. I'm taking the rest of the day off. You should get back to the office. It'll look less dodgy.
그런데 돌아가려던 자라는 한 가지 의문점이 생기는데요.
They said they needed me to verify Luke's information.
Okay.
They already had 2 people, you and Luke. How the fuck didn't I see this till now?
I don't understand.
Why was I dragged into this?
I don't know what you're on about.
Well, I clearly wasn't roped into it to verify Luke's data, so I must have been picked for another reason. To take the blame. That's why I was roped into this, right?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, start talking, Milo, or I call the thieves and tell them you just sold them out, and then I go to MI5 and tell them where I got the phone from.
No. No fucking way, you wouldn't.
I just need to move my finger a centimetre, Milo, and you can kiss your early retirement goodbye.
No, fuck off, please. Please. We were both in on it, okay? Me and Luke. We both knew they were coming in with guns, but we didn't tell you
Wait,
because...
he knew. Luke knew it wasn't going to be a hack.
He didn't know how much they were stealing or from who, but yes, he knew they were coming in with guns. And then Luke just fucking lost it. even though he knew. He crumbled as soon as he saw the guns. But that's a good thing, right? Because now he's the fool guy.
Why did you get me involved?
It wasn't us. It was the thieves. They wanted a third person, someone low down the ladder.
잘하는 범인들이 자신을 제일 가능성 없는 인간으로 선정해 그저 희생용으로 선택했다는 말에 화가 머리 끝까지 납니다.
I was dragged into this because I'm the biggest mess in the office. I'm going. Dickhead. All this time, I've been coming to work naked, and I was the only one who didn't see it.
But you're going to keep my name out of it, right?
I'm going to do the right thing, Milo. I'm not emotional.
한편 리스는 드디어 강도들의 아지트를 찾아내곤 흥분하는데요.
This is it. It's one of these farms. Has to be. This is them. We fucking got them.
그 시각 리스에게 전화가 오지만 어째선지 자라는 받지 않고 자라는 심경의 변화가 생긴 것 같았죠. 그 사이 루크는 강도들이 어딘가로 떠나는 걸 발견하는데요.
They've gone out. We're leaving.
Now.
Yes, fucking now.
Oh my, what the fuck?
This is what you asked for. No turning back now. Let's go. Run!
하지만 모건의 거친 행동에 또다시 겁을 먹는 루크. 그렇게 루크는 전속력으로 도망치지만 얼마 못 가 모건에게 붙잡히고 맙니다. 한편 심경에 변화가 생긴 자라는 결국 MI5와 만나기로 하는데요.
I figured out who the head of the Lockwood part of the operation is. They gave me this number, on condition I didn't name them.
And this helps me how?
Well, the thieves gave it to them.
Check it. This is what's officially known as the works. You can take this to practically any country in the world and start a new life.
자라는 거래를 통해 새로운 인생을 살 수 있는 기회를 얻죠.
You've got 24 hours to leave the country, and you're not allowed to talk to anyone before you go. Just for the record, why did you pick us over Reese?
I need a new identity. When you find the person who was behind it all, will you let me know who it was? No? Then I hope you kill them all. And Luke.
곧바로 자라는 엄마에게 전화를 거는데요.
Hello? Mum, it's me. I want to do a deal.
Where are the codes?
해외로 떠나기 전 마지막으로 돈 문제를 해결하려는 자라.
Oh. No funny business. It's a good start.
하지만 이때 커다란 문제가 발생하죠.
What the fuck? Balance is wiped, saying it's corrupted. What did you do to it?
Nothing.
Well, then why is it saying it's corrupted? Why is it saying the balance is 0?
I don't know. It's a mistake. Just try it again.
Did you try to hack into it?
Don't be stupid.
You did. You fucking did.
I wouldn't even know how to do that.
Okay, so what about one of your mates? You rope any of them into this? You try and hack into it, it wipes the balance. It wipes the fucking balance, Mum.
No. Do something.
그렇게 자라는 마지막 남은 가족에게 마저 상처를 입고 맙니다.
Do something.
You just had to get the better of me, didn't you?
No.
Try and hack into it and take all the money for yourself. The money isn't there anymore, Mum. It's all just wires and plastic.
Please, try it again. Come on, try it again.
결국 자라는 슬픔을 대가로 커다란 돈과 새 신분을 얻을 수 있었죠. 그 시각 리스는 자신들보다 먼저 온 MI5를 발견하는데요.
Who'd you tell?
What?
Place has already been raided, Ellie. Who'd you tell?
You think I sold you out?
There's someone did.
I've been with you all day, Reese. Why don't we go and find out who it was?
Looks like you got here half an hour too late. You've caught them?
No, they'd all cleared out by the time we arrived. Someone must have warned them.
Don't look at us.
How'd you find the place?
And don't say anonymous tip-off.
Anonymous tip-off. How about you?
Best go and ask your girlfriend.
Zara.
You picked the wrong team, Ellie.
잠시 후 리스는 자신의 집 앞에 와 있는 자라와 마주합니다.
Reese.
I already know.
모든 것을 다 얻은 자라였지만 리스 앞에선 할 말이 없었습니다.
So?
MI5 offered me a new life in a different country, and I had to take it, Reese. I found out earlier today why I got roped into all this, and I don't want to be that person anymore. And I'm sorry you got caught up in that.
Is that it?
I got paid £5 million in crypto. It's all on there. I wanted to give you some. You need the money. I figured you could use it to pay off your debts.
Well, you thought you could buy me? Give me some money so you feel better about yourself?
Not exactly, no.
You're tying up loose ends. Right? You want to jet off to a new life, but you need to make sure there's no evidence left lying around. So throw Reese a bit of money for his gambling habit, maybe he won't grass you up. Maybe I will grass you up, just to piss you off.
Don't be a dick, Reese.
I've been suspended, Zara. I'm going to lose my job because of you. So go on. How much is that worth? How much were you thinking would cover it?
How much do you...
It wasn't an actual question!
You said last night if I offered you the money, you would take it.
You were testing the waters.
No, that's not what I was doing.
Is everything with you just a play?
No, Reese,
How about sleeping with me? Why'd you do that? In case you needed to blackmail me. Or just to get me on side?
Oh, fuck you!
I told you, I don't want your money.
It's your money! You lent it to me for the hotel. We were just using each other, right?
결국 두 사람의 신뢰는 거액의 돈 앞에서 산산조각이 나버리죠. 잠시 후 짐을 챙기고 떠나려던 자라. 하지만
Move. Luke. I don't think so. I want your cold wallet, passcodes, then I'm gone.
I don't have a cold wallet. You
Don't fuck with me! Tell me. Or I start with your friend.
No, wait. I've got a deal. My cold wallet has 5 million on it, but the other insider has got 20 million. Okay, I can take you to him, and once you've got it, you let us go.
Yeah, all right. I'll take the 5 million.
No, 5 million's nothing. It's nothing. about it. I mean, that means forgers, lawyers, accountants, money launderers. I mean, that's hundreds of thousands gone right there. For 20 million.
Give me a cold wallet. And we go get the other 20 mil.
결국 자라는 자신의 돈을 넘겨줍니다.
As part of the deal, I get to take the gag off him.
한편 상실감에 빠져 포커를 플레이하던 리스.
Mace, what's up?
I've locked up my police account. I'm trying to get into my case files.
Mace, you're locked out of your account because you're suspended.
Yeah, no shit, Ellie.
Yeah, and you're calling me up while suspended, demanding witness files. I can't give them.
Wait, you serious? Is Fitch there with you?
No.
Fuck!
그렇게 리스는 대런에게 도움을 요청해보죠.
Reese?
You been at the station today?
Not since this morning. Why?
I need our files on Kate Shaw and Milo Carter Walsh.
Okay, can't you just log in to the...
There's something wrong with my account. Can you send them to me?
I don't have their files, Reese. They're on a ThinkPad in Lockmill. I'm not allowed to take any.
Can you meet me there?
Lockmill?
Yes.
Do you want me to come now?
Yes, now, Darren.
Okay, I'll just get ready.
Okay, thanks.
Either of you try anything.
He's going to kill us. And Milo, as soon as he gets the cold wallet.
Oh, really? I hadn't noticed he was a bloodthirsty lunatic.
Oh, don't. If you have any idea what I've been through.
What, you've? You tricked me into this whole fucking shit show. Milo told me everything. You lied to me, and now we're all gonna end up dead.
하지만 자라의 말을 듣고 당황한 루크.
He didn't tell you, did he? It's not nice when a mate lies to you, is it, Luke?
He's not in. You're coming with me.
잠시 후 이런 상황을 알리 없는 마일로가 도착하고
Holy shit.
Safe.
It's in the cupboard.
이때 자라가 마일로의 호신용 최루가스를 발견하죠.
What's the code?
524334.
Passcodes.
They're not here. I mean, that's the whole point. You're meant to keep them separate.
So where are they?
A few places. Any place you can get to tonight is Lockmill.
So we go to Lockmill. You've got 20 million in your hand. And no one's around this time of night. We drive there, walk in, get the codes, walk out.
Yeah, look, I've got the pass card for the building.
그렇게 두 사람의 설득에 모건이 응하던 바로 그때 하지만 흥분한 모건이 그만 사고를 치고 말죠.
No passcodes. No need for you two.
Wait, no, I know where the passcodes are. Please, I'll take you.
그 시각 대런을 기다리고 있던 리스는 자라 일행이 로크밀로 향하는 걸 발견합니다.
Excuse me. Excuse me. What are you doing?
한편 사라진 모건과 루크를 찾고 있는 범인들이 마일로의 집에 도착하고
Morgan got here first.
Looks like he's gone to Lockmill.
Let's go.
그 사이 모건은 루크가 말한 비밀번호를 찾으려 하는데요.
I guess this is the part where you lock us up and leave us.
No, it's not.
What? We had a deal.
그렇게 루크는 위기 속에서 초능력을 발휘하죠.
Zara. Get the gun. What do we do?
Call the police.
It's dead.
The switch is in reception.
Yes.
잠시 후 루크가 설비를 가동하지만 누군가의 인기척이 들려옵니다.
Luke.
이렇게 루크가 기절해버린 사이 모건이 다시 정신을 차리는데요.
Where are the gold wallets? Ah, he's fucked you over again.
No, he hasn't. He's calling the police.
Of course he is. You ever used a weapon before?
What do you think?
Well, you're holding it wrong.
결국 목숨을 건 술래잡기가 시작됩니다.
Police are on their way, Morgan. You leave now, you can still get away.
Okay? You okay?
Where are you, you city boy prick?
그 사이 로크밀에 도착하는 범인들.
How did you know we'd be here? I didn't come to save you, Zara. I came for Kate and Milo's files. I thought I could solve the case even if I was suspended.
It was Milo. But he wasn't the one in charge. He said there was someone above him that he'd never met. And then, right before we came in, he killed him.
Jesus.
그 시각 모건은 사라진 루크를 찾기 시작하고 그때 범인들이 올라오는데요.
Shouldn't the police have got here by now?
Yeah.
그런데 이때 리스는 창밖을 보고 당황합니다.
I need to leave now.
What happened to hiding?
MI5. They must have intercepted my call. The cops aren't coming. MI5 are. We have to go now. Fuck.
그렇게 리스와 자라가 갇혀버린 사이 MI5는 침착하게 움직이죠.
What now?
We wait. Then we pick them up as quietly as possible.
한편 숨막히는 대치 상황이 이어지고 범인들이 먼저 루크를 찾는데요.
Luke, where's Morgan? Keep an eye on him.
이렇게 이곳은 아무도 신뢰할 수 없는 장소가 돼버리죠.
No, don't kill me, please.
What are you doing? They'll see the light.
Just get ready to run. Oh my God, please.
Fuck.
I'm so sorry.
Fuck.
Zara, where's Morgan?
Zara, where's Morgan?
He ran after Luke.
Jackie hasn't left the building.
I thought you said there weren't going to be any victims. You said no one was going to get hurt.
None of this was part of the plan.
There was a plan. What was it? Huh?
Oh, you don't know, do you? They never told you what the point was.
What the fuck does it matter?
그 사이 돈에 눈이 먼 모건은 동료들을 하나씩 죽이고 있었는데요.
Gold wallets.
또다시 숨막히는 대치 상황이 이어집니다.
Morgan!
You there? Doesn't have to end this way.
바로 그때
Police and
그 시각 다친 리스를 화장실로 데려온 자라.
It's fine.
이때 자라가 리스의 전기 충격기를 움켜쥐는데요.
Nate's dead here. You could still be in the building.
No, we don't know that.
You want to go risk your life to check? Or to get your money back?
What if he's dead? What if they're all dead and the money's just lying there?
결국 자라는 끝까지 돈을 포기할 수 없었습니다.
Zara. Where are you, Zara? Come get your money. Come get it, office girl. You came back out here for your money. I'm impressed.
It's not just about the money. What was the point?
Why don't you go ask your policeman friend? You fucking office girl.
그렇게 자라는 끝내 모건을 제압할 수 있었죠. 상황이 종료되고 그제서야 루크를 만나 안심하는 자라. 다음날 이번 사건은 MI5의 공작으로 인해 모든 일이 마일로가 저지른 일로 둔갑되었는데요.
Take his own life. Did he though? I hear you, but I think it just.
we've been through this. It wasn't our fault, Zara.
But Psycho wouldn't have been there if it wasn't for me.
We were just doing what we could to save our lives. And plus, Milo was the one that recruited us into whatever the fuck this all was.
That's the thing. Okay, don't you want to know what this was all about?
We do know. Someone wanted to fight the system, okay? Reclaim the money, eat the rich, whatever the fuck. We just got caught up in it. Wrong place, wrong time.
잠시 후 어째선지 리스의 집을 찾아온 자라.
Hey. Listen. I'm going away and I needed to ask you a question. That night at Lockmill, before Morgan died, he said something. I asked him what the point of the heist was, and he said, why don't you ask your policeman friend?
You serious? Lost my job, Zara. My debt got sold on, and the interest is through the roof. I'm selling my house to pay it off. When it goes through, I'm going to be homeless. Plus, they nearly killed me. How does any of that make you think I was in charge of a multi-billion-pound heist, huh? He's fucking with your head.
Zara, go through everything we did together. On what planet would someone who was involved do all that stuff?
Being a dick, I'm sorry. And I'm sorry about your job and your house.
I don't want you feeling sorry for me, Zara. But I'm glad you came round. Maybe when you come back, we could...
Yeah, sure.
See you when you get back.
Yeah.
하지만 자라와 헤어진 리스는 굳어진 표정으로 황급히 수사 기록을 다시 살펴봅니다. 그리고 흑막을 찾아내죠.
Hi. I'm Zara Dunn. I'm here to pick up some things.
There you go.
Thank you.
Zara! How are you? I didn't think I'd see you again.
Well, I came to pick up our stuff, mine and Luke's. It's busy today.
Oh, you haven't heard, have you? Well, money's been returned. 4 billion, all of it. Financial police have turned up. Everybody is going nuts.
Wait, the police are here?
무언가 이상한 느낌이 들기 시작한 자라 앞에 리스가 모습을 드러내는데요.
Reese.
I know who it is. Come with me.
그렇게 리스를 따라간 자라는 이번 사건의 흑막이 누구인지 드디어 알게 되었죠.
Zara. Reese, what are you doing here?
They put you in a nicer office.
The 4 billion got returned this morning. That's why I'm here.
We know it was you, Darren.
I don't know what you're talking about.
The night of the shootout. I asked you to meet me here. You never showed. But the thieves did. How did they know we were going to be here? Then it chimed with something else. How the thieves knew to be at Luke's to abduct him before I got there. How'd they know? But you were with us with Luke when we interviewed him that morning. You saw him falling apart. There's a pattern, no? You get some info, then the thieves turn up.
2 data points don't make a pattern, Reese.
Who does something like this? They need to have money, but hate money. No finance, but hate finance.
리스는 이번 사건으로 인해 고위층들의 더러운 비자금들이 탄로났다며 이것은 금융 쪽에 전문 지식이 없다면 불가능한 일이라고 추리하는데요.
A fireworks show.
그제서야 데런은 자신이 흑막이었음을 인정합니다.
Okay, you're right. It was a fireworks show. But it wasn't just that. It changed the world. Did you see the news today?
They've announced a government inquiry. It'll take 5 years to complete, then they'll ignore the findings. Nothing will change. What you did was dangerous and illegal, and it was always going to go south. Tell me why you shouldn't be in prison.
This is Willemstad Bank and Trust. I took a controlling stake in it years ago, anonymously. Tiny bank in a tiny tax haven. This is basically it. The entire bank. It's how I moved the money through all those accounts. There's no cash, no gold, not even any paper, really. It's just electrons shooting around the world. It's a construct, an idea. But who benefits? Our system doesn't work for 99% of us, yet we're all forced to pay into it. Except for the ones at the very top. There's millions dying of hunger. And the people who decided this is how it is. They're flying their private jets over forest fires. Everyone knows how nasty our financial system really is, how unfair, how damaging, but no one does anything about it. We take something like people's retirements, tie that to a story, suddenly people give a shit. Suddenly Prime Minister's on TV. I returned the pensions to Lockmill, but the money from the tax haven accounts, that's got 10 million of Toby Gould's slush fund money on it.
You're trying to buy us off?
Oh, I'm trying to make a point. Is it good money or bad in that cold wallet? Bad money. Or what if I give it to charity? Is it good money then? Money's got a moral spark to it. Maybe we just try and do some good with it. Take the money. And I'll know you're on side. And you'll never hear from me ever again. All you have to do is let me go.
그렇게 데런의 말을 계속 듣던 리스는 심각한 고민에 빠지고 이에 자라가 끼어듭니다.
No. We take that money, Reese. We're implicated. We are tied to him forever.
결국 리스는 자라의 말을 따라 대런의 돈을 받지 않기로 하죠.
We just turned down 10 million quid.
We don't need his money.
I'm losing my house. I could have paid off my debts.
You would have been in his debt. This way we're free.
I'm not free, Zara. What are you doing?
그런데 이때 자라가 회사에서 챙긴 상자에서 무언가를 발견하는데요.
This is 20 million non-Lockmill pounds. It's money Darren paid Milo. Except there's no strings attached.
You stood there the entire time with that money just sitting on the table next to you.
No, I didn't know if it would be in the box or not. I wasn't the one who packed it. I was kind of just hoping.
You risked 20 million quid on kind of just hoping.
Well, it's like you said. You're worried about losing, you'll play badly, and then you'll lose. This is our winnings, Reese.
그렇게 두 사람은 순식간에 하나로 390억에 가까운 돈을 손에 넣게 되죠.
So what are you going to do now?
Something exciting.
이렇게 두 사람이 웃으며 어딘가로 떠나는 모습과 함께 드라마 스틸 시즌 1은 막을 내립니다.